Hey, what's up guys, this is Tario Sultan. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I like to show you step by step how to order the helium miners from a brand called Bobcat. The steps are pretty straightforward. The payment method is going to be USDT. If you have any questions, type them below. Without further ado, let's get into it. If you come to helium.com, this is the one we're getting. I've left the link in the description, so go ahead and find it. It's bobcatminer.com. I've not affiliated with them. We're not going to go into detail of the spec and technology. Hopefully you're already convinced by HNT Helium Network. This community is growing rapidly every single day, and these miners are sold out. If we order now as we speak, this is end of April. We're thinking about probably end of July or August. So that's about 8 to 12 weeks. So let's add a few items into the card. Based on your country, if you're from Europe, go with 868. If you're North America, like I'm from Canada, I'm going to go with 915. So I'm ordering 3 of them, add to cart, and let's go to checkout page. Here's total quantity and before shipping price. And here also you can leave them a note if you want to and click on checkout. Here is where you fill in your email and shipping address, and when you're done with that, click on continue to shipping. So after you fill in your shipping address, it will automatically calculate the drop shipping rate. Let's continue to payment. Payment options will have 2 options, USDC or USDT. In my case, I'm paying USDT. It's called a Muggle Pay. So this is a payment method they use, and then my billing is the same as my shipping address. Right here, right before you complete the order, I want you to get prepared with your USDT because you have about an hour to make the payment. I personally use Binance in this case to make the payment. If you don't have a Binance, the link is in the description as well. Any exchange will do as long as you have a USDT wallet and you are able to withdraw from it. Once you sign up with the Binance, simply click on buy crypto. So in this way, you can buy with your bank account. I believe states you're able to do this. I'm from Canada. I have already funded my account with the USDT, so I'm not going to buy. So it's go straight to the wallet. Underneath wallet, you go to fiat and spot. Now let's come back to Bobcat order page and we complete the order, and it should direct you to the next page. The order is being processed, and now this page will redirect you to the Muggle Pay process. So basically it looks like this. You have USDC and USDT. You want to go ahead and click on USDT because it's instant payment process. Transfer network, you want to go with the TRC20 because you pay less fee. You'll see this option on the Binance page later. And now on my right hand side, this is my Binance USDT wallet, and I've already loaded my balance. Simply I just need to click on withdraw. It should lead me to this page. Remember earlier we chose TRC20 as a network preference, and now on my right hand side you can see we have the same option, TRC20. We paid just $1 fee. And now in terms of the address, just copy the address from Muggle Pay, paste it into recipient address field, and now you want to be careful here. You want to play around with the numbers. Here on the Muggle Pay, it clearly says don't overpay it or don't underpay it. So you kind of want to play around with the number to make sure the receiver gets the exact amount that's written here. Here, when I enter the amount, it's 1510.88. You will see because of the transaction fee, the receiver would actually get 1509. So you want to make sure you want to bump up 1 digit. So instead of 1510, you do 1511.88. You just want to make sure the receiver get amount is the exact amount shows on your Muggle Pay. In my case, I still paid $1 extra, but I don't recommend you guys to do that because it clearly says you shouldn't be overpaying or underpaying. So just go with the right amount, exact amount, okay? And then when you're done, click on submit. And it will pop up this window because I have all my 2-factor authentication and email authentication on, so I have to enter the right code here. And when I'm done with that, click on submit, and it should tell you your request has been submitted. Remember, Binance, it takes a little while for Binance to get everything processed, and by clicking on this link, you can see that the transaction has taken in place. Just take a little while for it to go through. Meanwhile, you want to come back to your Muggle Pay and you click on this I have paid and click on confirm, And now all we need to do is just patiently wait it out for the payment to come in. So basically Muggle Pay is waiting for the USDT transaction to come in. And meanwhile, you should get an email from Bobcat saying, thank you for your interest in Bobcat Miner. Your order number is generated and your payment is not complete. That's pretty normal because it takes a little while for a USDT payment to get through. Waiting for about 10 minutes or so, and this window automatically appeared, says, thank you for your payment. They have successfully received my USDT payment. All you need to do is click on confirm and return to store. It should bring you back to the thank you page, and this will show all your order detail. Lastly, I want to say this is not a financial advice. Anything like this has a risk to it. Be careful where you invest your money into. Definitely do not put more than you can afford to lose, okay? Because crypto industry is quite volatile. There's many risks in here. Most importantly, let's spread the words out there. There's a lot of scammers out there, so be careful, guys. Tell your friends and family, especially those hang out in a Telegram group or Discord group. If people pretend they're the admin of the group and to help you with a technical issue, to come after you at your most vulnerable time, just be careful of those moments. So tell your friends and family, do not give out their private wallet address or private keys and things like that. I'm so excited to mine helium, so I'll keep you guys posted when I receive my items, and I'll keep you posted with the progress. If you do enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment, as I want to make more and more helium related videos.